Welcome to the SolidWorks 2016 Parameterization and Design Tables course, from Render. In this first lesson we will present an overview of the course and its organization to facilitate learning. Come on, let's go. This course consists of modules, organized in classes, where concepts and commands are explained, step by step. Practical examples, where we review what has been taught, applying in real situations, and complementary exercises, which are tasks for the student to do and train. In the first module, besides presenting the course, we will define parameterization. We will see how to use symmetry references and sketches. We will parameterize a piece and make an introduction to modeling in context. In the second module, we will learn to work with equations, understanding how useful they are when creating parameterized models. We will also see how to create, in pieces and assemblies, simple equations and rule-based equations, for which we will use some logic instructions. Proceeding, in the third module we will work with the project tables, understanding how they work and their advantages. We will create tables manually and automatically, in part and assembly environments, and we will see how to use table with external link. In the fourth module, we will deal with project automation, understanding their importance and learning how to automate a part with design table and with the use of properties. Finally, in the fifth and final module we will review the subjects covered in the course, modeling a parametric hydraulic connection and creating a sprocket with design table. We also propose complementary exercises, for the student to do and improve himself even more in the work with parameterization and automation of projects in SolidWorks. We wish you an excellent learning. Render, who knows, teaches.